Hey everybody, this is your Mobile Minute. Hey, let's look at search engine optimization for a second because I feel that we should be banning that term when it comes to mobile. SEO, search engine optimization, is so perfect for the big screen experience. This great big screen in front of me, big browser, type in a bunch of random words, get some great results, right? Get some great results that I can refine. Studies show that most people only go to that first page. They never hit the second page. They click through to a link. It's very effective and done right. So good for your business. I say go do it in the web space. Move it over to mobile. It's not as effective, man, because the power of mobile isn't so much search, it's find. And the power of mobile isn't about randomness. It's about context. Can't say that word. It's about context. I'm here. I have these friends. I'm interested in this. Show me what's around. Context. It's also about effective mobile marketing using SMS or apps or whatever you want to do, but it isn't about searching. It's much more about finding. And I think that that's the difference here, is that if we bring these paradigms from the web world over to mobile, I think that we're going to stunt mobile's growth. That's a big statement. If we bring what we do on the web over to mobile, it's going to stunt mobile's growth. We're going to delay the growth of mobile and the effectiveness of mobile. This is the same thing that we're talking about a lot around holidays, around the amount of commerce that's happening in mobile commerce. That's not mobile commerce, man. That is all that is taking existing transactions that would happen on the web and doing those transactions on the mobile web. We're not there yet. We got to start thinking about the web separate from mobile and how effectively can we use mobile in order to be able to grow our businesses, drive activity, drive people into our businesses, and ultimately make some money or create a deeper engagement with our customers. If we're not doing that, don't do it. But I say ban SEO, that term, focus on find, not on search. What do you think? Am I crazy? Let me know. I'd love to hear. This has been your Mobile Minute.